doing, Maddie?
Painting.
Oh, what are you painting?
Sesame Street, silly.
Oh, okay. Now I have to do more dibs to get all the green off the brush. Okay, good mixing. Now what do you do? Dip in the tissue. Now what color are we doing?
Blue.
For the wall. Okay.
And sometimes we can do this one too.
It's getting far away from you, isn't it? Good girl. Wow. Remember not to do Ernie in the window.
Yeah.
Because we'll get another colour for Ernie in a minute.
Yeah.
Do you need more blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep painting.
Okay. Oops.
Blop. 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 Put one up there. Okay.
I won't get red.
Okay.
And I won't.
Do you like painting?
Yeah.
Do more dip. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do Ernie
Yay! He's
and his window red.
Okay.
Okay. Then it will be all done.
And then we will do another page.
Yeah.
One.
Okay, let's see. We put the paintbrush down and we stand up and look at the painting. Wow. What is it? What's
Sesame Street.
Who's that in the yellow?
Oni.
No, Ronnie's red. Who's this on the roller skates?
It's a Sesame Street kid.
What? It's Big Bird.
It's Big Bird.
Big Bird. Yeah, good painting.
And that's Oni.
Oh, Ernie? Yeah. Okay. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
No, right here.
Bye.
Love you. Blow kisses.